Right, Angie, right, to get this to work, these links, if you hover over these links in your browser, at the bottom of the page here, you should see the actual URL come out. And as we know, what links them to it is the words that come after the hashtag. So, if we go to the actual home page and go into these, for instance, we go to Pursuit of Happiness, we know that link, that URL is there with the hashtag bit there, which is happiness. But where that's found, to make sure they correlate, is you go to the training events page. If we go to Pursuit of Happiness, which I've got here, if we go into, when you hover over this, the colour section, you'll see it there, and this is where it sits. Click on open the, scroll down, and in this bit here for developers section ID, you've got the hashtag happiness. So if that sits in there, whatever sits in there, if you put that at the end of the URL in the on the home page where the icons are, then it will work. So literally you click on that and it will go through to the right section, to the right part, and that will do that every time. So that's where they sit, inside that colour area, colour section. So it's the hashtag you're looking for. The hashtag in here, whichever you write, has to then be at the end of the URL as the / hashtag in the icons bit, and then you've got the corresponding link. The titles for each of these, which are these, get written in here. So once you click into that, go to where it says title, list item title. So that's the title of the post. The URL is always going to be the training events page / hashtag, whatever you've written in here. Okay, that's how it's done. Okay, I hope that clarifies it for you. Thanks.